Hello diecast fans and welcome back to the channel. We received some requests and questions regarding the language that we speak in our videos. So for today we'll try to make an unboxing, unblistering, speaking in English, because we do have some followers and subscribers from other countries, and they requested that we will try to speak in English so they can understand what we are saying. Our English is not so good, but we will try our best. For today we have an Chevrolet Van G10 from M2 Machines, Lowrider series. It's an limited edition, 4,400 pieces made, from which 400 are chase versions. The back of the packaging. So we don't have too many models from M2 Machines in our collections, and that's why today we will try to see nice acrylic display. We have screws that keep the model inside. We'll try also to get it out. Nice black paint job. I do like also the drawings. Smile now, cry later. Very nice front grille. Very good looking model. I also like the back. We have a license plate with Mijo exclusive. We will get a screwdriver to get the model off the base. Let's see what screwdrivers we have to get the model out. We will try with this one. So here we go. Nice. The wheels seem a little small, and that's why they don't run so well. We have a plastic base. really cool model. I like it. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye bye.